This is Damian Alexander with Long Realty Company. I am out at Sweetwater Preserve. Sweetwater is one of the nicest trail systems in Tucson. It's in the Tucson Mountains. What I love about it is the concentration of saguaros and the diversity in the trails. You have off-camber, free-flowing single track that is very free of rocks and just lots of fun. Nice little berms and banks to pick up speed and doohickeys and doo-woppies and all that fun stuff. But then there's also some really rocky, craggy areas, technical, where you have to pick your way through it. It's up and down, but then there's also some nice flat sections. So a little bit of everything for cycling, and you're very likely to see lots of hikers out here as well. It is June. It's going to be 112 degrees today. The parking lot is packed. I personally parked down at Christopher Columbus Park and rode up off of the back way through Via Nuestra and off of Oxbow. So there's other ways to get up here if you want to ride from the loop. And it is just one of Tucson's gems in the Tucson Mountains. The Tucson Mountains are covered with trails, new ones being put in even as we speak. SDMB is doing a great job down at Star Pass, adding in new trails. So get on your bike, go out and hike, enjoy Tucson, and this is Damian Alexander. Have a great day.